Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings on the market, the Omac Roof Rack Crossbars Carrier for the Kia Soul 2024. If you're looking to enhance your vehicle's versatility and carrying capacity, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's get into why these crossbars stand out from the competition. These Omac roof rack crossbars are crafted from high-quality aluminum, meeting European standards for durability and reliability. They're designed with an aerodynamic profile, not only reducing wind noise but also improving fuel efficiency. Installation is a breeze thanks to their clip-on mounting type, ensuring both convenience and security. Specifically engineered for the Kia Soul 2024 models with fixed-points roof types, these crossbars are incredibly versatile. Whether you're into biking, skiing, or need extra cargo space for road trips, these bars support up to 165 pounds of load capacity. They're compatible with various accessories like bike carriers, ski, snowboard racks, and even roof cargo boxes. Constructed from lightweight yet sturdy aluminum, these crossbars are built to last. They're designed not just for aesthetics but to withstand the elements, making them perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want gear that can keep up with their adventures. Now, let's talk installation. Thanks to their user-friendly design, you won't need to spend hours figuring out how to mount them. Simply follow the straightforward instructions, and you'll have them securely installed in no time. It's all about making your life easier while enhancing your vehicle's capabilities. Imagine the freedom of being able to take your bikes, skis, or even extra luggage on your next trip without compromising interior space. These Omac crossbars not only expand your cargo options but also add a sleek, sporty look to your Kia Soul. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and functional roof rack solution for your Kia Soul, look no further than the Omac Roof Rack Crossbars. They're built with quality in mind, backed by positive user experiences, and designed to elevate your driving experience to the next level. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, drive safe and happy travels.